Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and are happy and safe, including your families. Welcome to my YouTube channel HAH Electrical. Today, we will discuss the topic about transformers parts. It is necessary. Let's start the topic. Before that, subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive every new video. Transformer parts: core, winding, transformer tank, conservator tank, transformer oil, terminal or bushing, arcing horns, explosion valve, radiator or cooling tube, cooling fan, tape changer, silica gel, oil temperature indicator, winding temperature indicator, PRV/PRD, wheels, buckles relay. Core and winding. The core supports the windings and provides a low reluctance path for the magnetic flux. It is made by stacking and laminating thin steel sheets. The sheets are insulated from each other by a coating. To reduce eddy current losses and hysteresis losses, the iron or steel sheets are less than 1 mm thick, and their carbon content is maintained below 0.1%. Eddy current is further reduced by alloying the steel with silicon. The vertical sections of the core in which the windings are carried are referred to as the limbs, while the horizontal sections of the core that couples the limbs are referred to as the yokes. Windings in power transformers. The windings are made up of copper or aluminum conductor coil with a specific number of turns. Copper is the preferred material since it offers high electrical conductivity and high ductility. These properties reduce the amount of winding and make the material easier to wrap around the core. A transformer consists of at least two windings, the primary and the secondary windings. The primary winding is the winding in which the input voltage is applied, while the secondary winding is the winding that receives the output voltage. The primary and the secondary windings in a phase of a transformer can play as the high voltage HV winding or the low voltage LV winding. HV winding. The HV winding has a greater number of turns and consists of a thinner conductor than the LV winding. LV winding. The LV winding has a fewer number of turns. It consists of a thicker conductor than the HV winding since a higher current is carried in the LV winding. Other parts of power transformers include the following. Insulating materials. Insulating materials are used to isolate the windings from the core, the primary and the secondary windings, and each turn of the windings. These materials protect the transformer from damage. Transformer insulators should have high dielectric strength, good mechanical properties, and can withstand high temperatures. Paper and press board can be used as an insulator, example, dry-type transformers. However, they have limited service lives and require frequent replacement as these materials can degrade. Hence, transformer oils are more common compared to solid insulating materials. They provide enhanced insulation between conducting parts, act as a coolant for the coil and windings assembly, and have fault detection features. Hydrocarbon mineral oils consisting of aromatics, paraffin, naphthalene, and olefins are used as transformer oils. Oil contamination must be prevented to preserve the oil's dielectric properties and insulating features. Please comment how you like my video. Thank you for watching my video.